Firstly, thank you, Alexa and Peter, for a wonderful introduction. I'm Rajagopal from SC Engineering, and a great morning to such a wonderful crowd. SC Engineering is honored to be part of today's AWS Summit Singapore, and we also value the relationship that we have with AWS, both as a partner and a customer. So today I thought I'll bring you through a time machine, one that transports us to the future, and then back to the past, and then eventually coming back to reality. So let me begin. Space shuttles are fundamentally the most advanced automation and transportation vehicles. However, do you know that the space shuttle rocket boosters are limited to a width of 4 feet 8.5 inches? And this is because of the railroads that ship these space shuttle rocket boosters through a transportation train. And these railways were actually built by English expatriates from UK that promised the width of the rail that was then in UK. And these rails in UK were actually promised on the tram wagons that used to travel on these roads. And these tram wagons were based on the ruts along the old distance roads, and these ruts were created by the wheel sets of Roman Empire war chariots. So what defined the Roman Empire war chariots was the of 2 horses. So fundamentally, what we are seeing is that arguably the most advanced transportation mode of a space shuttle and its width was determined 2,000 years ago by the width of 2 horses. Right? So historical events linger and create unintended effects on the evolution of technology. And how do the dots connect together? Digital transformation is not about technology. Otherwise, we will be limited to the width of the 2 horses. Digital transformation is about transforming and enhancing a stakeholder's experience using a combination of technology, people, and processes. Now, let me move on to the future, where we will talk about the future of mobility. Trains and taxis actually transport people daily from work and to work. Pedestrians are hustling and bustling around the cities. Mobility is the bloodline of our cities. So how would we see the future of mobility? Connected vehicles will become potent information platforms, enabling drivers and passengers with a new world of experience enabled by artificial intelligence. We are going to see autonomous vehicles providing mobility as a service, drones in the air, unmanned surface vehicles in the sea. Core to this is the cloud technology that is going to pull data from sensors, reacting with the processed data in real time in order to achieve this new future of ours. Let me now move on to the future of healthcare. We are seeing a big change and a rapid change in healthcare, and the shift is towards a patient-centric healthcare system. Again, for this to happen, cloud technology is core, in which you will see healthcare service providers and patients connected together, using intelligence to be able to analyze the patient's needs, and fundamentally being able to prescribe the best care for the patients. We will see robotics and digital technologies to be used to automate and manage the mental and the physical tasks of doctors and nurses. Future hospitals are going to have intelligence operation centers integrating systems and services to enable their operations, and primarily to give patients an amazing experience. Telemedicine and remote healthcare is going to reduce the patient's visits to hospitals, and wearable sensors are going to enable near real-time monitoring of the patient's health. So in other words, we are actually going to see a shift of healthcare, from hospitals to homes, enabling empowerment of their health to the patients themselves. So I spoke about the future of mobility and the future of healthcare, and there's more. You're going to see the future of public security, you're going to see the future of war fighting. So by 2025, we are going to see 70, I'm so sorry, I came from the military, so the battalion just comes out, okay. But otherwise, it's 70 billion of connected devices generating 460 exabytes of data daily. And so the future works hand in glove with AWS Cloud. AWS Cloud offers a range of digital technologies that enables customers to innovate faster and to be able to achieve anything that was envisaged. The AWS artificial intelligence and machine learning platforms will allow customers to generate new insights to transform their organizations. So what is key? Moving to the cloud is inevitable, and the potential in the cloud is unlimited. However, when you actually talk to our customers, protecting the secured data is of a great concern. So most customers have adopted to a hybrid cloud strategy, utilizing the capabilities in a public cloud as well as the security in a private cloud. So in ST Engineering, we actually have a cloud management platform that enables our customers to be able to manage this range of workloads that are going to be housed in both the public and private clouds. Now let me move on to share our experiences as an AWS customer in our cloud journey. In ST Engineering, we have offices in more than 20 countries and 40 cities. So in our cloud journey, we adopted a similar hybrid cloud strategy, and AWS provides the public cloud solutions to us. I must say, the journey has been amazing. We migrated 1,000 workloads seamlessly across to the cloud. In addition to that, we have been able to securely communicate data and information to our offices worldwide. So as a result, we have achieved a 20% cost savings. In addition to that, AWS offers a CI/CD DevSecOps pipeline that allows us to build cloud microservices for our customers, and sometimes even allows us to migrate these to an AWS outpost where required. So on this stage, I would like to share our appreciation to AWS Cloud for enabling ST Engineering's cloud journey. So I spoke about digital transformation and technologies, but however, people form the cornerstone of all of these efforts. In ST Engineering, we are committed to investing into our people development. So we set up a ST Digital Academy, over and above training of our 7,000 digital workforce. We actually recruit and train 150 graduates from universities, polytechnics, ITEs, and mid-careeries to enable them to become cloud and software specialists, data engineers, data architects. So fundamentally, beyond these technologies and digital transformation, having a highly skilled workforce is key for the success of the future. Now, in conclusion, firstly, I just want to reiterate the point. Digital transformation is not about technology. It's about enhancing the customer's experience. Second one, ST Engineering is thankful and appreciative of AWS effort in helping us migrate to the cloud. Thirdly, we want to continue to partner AWS in helping our customers transform their visions to realities. Next, I'd like to thank AWS for allowing us to share this stage. And before I leave, I'd like to leave a quote of Adam. Cloud has become not just another tech revolution, but an enabler of a fundamental shift in the way that businesses actually function. Signing off from ST Engineering. Have a great day. Thank you.